Now, what about this judgment bit? I think that's what really scares us, is we don't understand where we fit in with these books that are being opened. And so there's this notion that, wait, where do I fit in here? There's a judgment. There's this thing. Seems to be people going to the lake of sulfur. Where am I going to be? And so we have that anxiety. Many people would use that anxiety to manipulate and try to control. I would rather not. In fact, I think that that's dishonest. I think it is clear where we are. I think the fact that you are here right now shows, on some level, God has called you to life and made you for life. And it seems to me that all of these people out here that we meet day by day, when we talk to them, when we reach out to them, when we share a little joy with them, share a little word with them, we can see the life. We can get a sense of the life that they lead. If we begin to see with God's eyes, perhaps we can even see each one created, crafted for life.